Oh my gosh. Oh wow, hold on. I need to concentrate. This is really, you guys know I'm a big fan of Fahime, Roshbi. I love them. But this song, hold on. Let me get. Oh wow, beautiful. Ferman Rabu. Malabe Kharabu la 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 la. I love them. Okay, I don't know this song. It's very personal, very good. It's very beautiful. The melody, it's very good. She looks amazing. She's so pretty. Fahime and Roshbin are like so beautiful. I'm a big fan. Roshbin, I love how she plays the banjo. It's really nice. Oh, I don't know what you call that. Banjo. Kidding. I don't know what kidding means. She's very pretty. Sounds very personal, very... I wish I can understand what they're saying. I don't know if they're sisters or friends, but Fahime and Roshbin, I don't know, since day one, I fall in love. They're really, I love them. Jaru parisyan kareem. Your love dare chame besebe, dare chame besebe, dare chame be. Like that's my song. This new song, it's very personal, very like you just like, I don't know, I just want to smoke a cigarette and just like listen to it because it's very, 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 very soft. But I love it because their voices are so beautiful. I really enjoy Fahime and Roshbi Kaza Fahima. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Comment down below your thoughts, and if you have another song, let me know. I'll do it as soon as I can. Bye.